Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about variables in Python. So what variables are? Variables are the container for storing data values. In Python, for creating variables, we don't have any command to write a variable. We just need to write any variable name. Let's say I am writing A, and we need to assign a value to that variable. I am assigning 4. Now again I am declaring a variable, assigning the variable in string. Variable C, we can also store the data in boolean, and variable D, it will store float type value. Now if we see the output by printing all the values, that is A, B, C and D, if we run this and see the output, we can see A is storing 4 and B is storing pep coding, C is storing a boolean value true, and D is storing the float value 0.34. So here we can see variable is storing the data in any form, that is it do not require any particular data type. We just need to write any variable and we can assign any type of data to that variable. We can even change the type of the variable. Let's see, here A is storing int type of data, it is storing int type of data. We can change the data type by assigning, again I am assigning this in string. Now if we print this, it will show the answer storing pep coding in it. Here we can see at last A is storing pep coding. Now in Python, variables are case sensitive. This means, let's say again, if I am assigning a value ABC as 4 and ABC as 5, these two variables are different. We can print the values of these ABC and ABC. These two variables are storing different values. So in Python, the variables are case sensitive. Now let's talk about the variable names. A variable name can have a short name or can have a descriptive name. For example, we can have the variable name as short name, let's say X, Y, Z. These are short name. The name can also be like descriptive, age, customer, address. These are descriptive type variable name. There are some rules in Python for variables. The first rule is a variable name must start with a letter or underscore. The second rule is variable cannot start with a number. This means this is a variable starting from a variable, starting from a alphabet or letter. It can also start from underscore, but if we start it by any number, this will give us error. Python does not accept this because this is a syntax error. This is the rule in Python for declaring a variable name. Third rule is the variable name can only contain alphanumerical characters. Alphanumerical characters are from A to small z 0 to 9 and underscore. So this is alphanumerical character. We can assign the value, assign the variable name like this also. This is a underscore. We can write the numbers after the underscore. This will work properly. This is not giving the error. I haven't print this. I need to print this. Here, this is not giving any error. We are writing numbers in the variable, but we are writing it after an underscore. Here we can also write any character. Again, we need to write it here. So we can see there is no error. So these are some things in Python about variables. Hope you understand this. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.